Yeah, people, so I saw them dig up the road. As them dig it, they make it go straight into the truck. It's a good look, you know? Bobcat or work, you know. Bobcat I do the little clean up. Anything will get left over, you know. Yeah. Truck there almost full. Way down the road there's some people, them have another one, another machine and dig up the road too. So them now waste no time. Progress. One day them will take to dig up the stretcher. Time. Yeah, the truck can't sweep the road. Right, so we're on the time now. Wait. Good look, people, it's a good look. Work in progress. I don't know a good look TV they are going on. I'm going on little updates and little highlights of what I go and show the progress get done, you know? Then the next truck I roll in for load up. see how far them reach in a space of no time. They have one equipment on the inner side of the sidewalk and one to the outer part, so quick and fast, one lane of traffic. Get dig up right away.
There is no notice.
Oh, no notice. Yeah, I'm just videoing the process, eh? Yeah, no notice.
It will take approximately 20 to 50 days.
How much days?
15 to 20 days.
Oh, 15 to 20. Yeah.
How they are doing it?
Yeah, but they're going quick.
I don't know. Because I was seeing that the road construction is very delayed.
Oh, yeah.
This road is okay.
Yeah. Alright, see you. Yeah, so right away. They must see the road. So this I truck do all of the cleaning up, sweeping. I have a brush underneath. I sweep the road right away. See people stick and spank. So the supervisor walks to make sure so everything get done proper, you know. Supervisor don't have to do much, you know. Just sit down in him truck and take a quick walk from time to time, you know. Then when him get too cold, him just go sit down back in him truck and warm up again. See it, people. Truck come after and sweep up. You know the debris in the left back. There you have it, people. A good look TV are showing a little process, a road work process. How them dig up the road and get the job done real quick. So them dig up, sweep up, and then them are gonna pave it. after them done the both side of the road, then them a go repave the road. And if I go catch a little process there, for sure know how I go on. So that is it, people, for now. Yeah, people, so I see how I go on now. Them reach on the other side already, you know. So them take 2 hours to reach on the other side. We can't fast, they're back. Yeah. It's a good look, people. It's a good look. So, say this machine a move well fast. Although a 2 machine, we see them a work so far. And one still lay down the road there, so. Sweeping truck. Yeah, people, so them gone on break and all, like them have them coffee and thing, you know. Yeah, people, so that is it for today.